क्या आज पार्टी हो रही है? Here we go. Take 1/2 of 4 slices. So how many slices you are going to take now? Now take 1/2 of 2 slices. So how many slices you are going to take now? Show me that. Show me that. Very good. Now using this slice, show me 1/4. How are you going to show me that? Now using this slice which is there in your hand, show me 1/4. Okay children, now apply any spread on 1/4. Apply your favorite spread on 1/4. Only on 1/4. Rakshit, apply your favorite spread only on 1/4. Okay children, are you ready with 1/4?
Yes,
Bread slice, can you show me that? Lift it up. Okay, now place one more 1/4 on it. एक और 1/4 पार्ट उसके ऊपर रखेंगे. Okay children, what have you done just now? Have you added 1/4 and 1/4 or you have subtracted 1/4 from 1/4?
Added.
Show me that. Can you show me that? So what are you getting? 1/4 plus 1/4, what are you getting? 2/4. Very good. Now you can start eating 2/4 which you have prepared just now. Start eating. Yummy.
Yes.
Okay children, now show me 1/3 of 3 slices. Lift it up, lift it up. 1/3 of 3 slices. Very good Abhimanyu. Yeah, very good everyone. Okay, now class 4 is going to tell me the mixed fraction of the slices in their plate. So first we are starting with Abhimanyu. Yes Abhimanyu, how many whole slices you are having in your plate? 3. Okay, and if you apply this jam on one part and on no, just imagine if you are applying jam on these 3 whole slices and on one part, then what fraction is there loaded with jam? Very good, excellent. Now we are going to Aradhya. Yes Aradhya, if you apply jam on this one whole slice and on one part, then what fraction will be loaded with jam? Excellent. Now take one slice and show me 1/3 using that slice. Everyone, take one slice and show me 1/3 using that slice. Very good Aradhya. Okay children, show me 1/3 using only one slice. Good going, good going. Very good Abhimanyu. Okay children, now start applying your favorite spread on 2/3. On 2/3. Okay children, now Using the same spread, show me 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. How are you going to do that? Using the same spread, show me 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, now, can you show me 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3? Yeah, Abhimanyu is ready with his answer. So, Abhimanyu, what are you getting 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3?
Ma'am, 3 by 3.
Very good, excellent. Clap for him. Everyone, excellent. Okay, are you also ready, Ridhan?
Yes.
Okay, all 3 parts are covered now. Aradhya is ready too. Okay, Rakshit is also doing the same. Very good. Abhimanyu, so you are eating what fraction?
1 by 3.
Excellent.